Kompleto naman top 3 pa lang yun.
Naglag ka?
Kayo ba?
Candidate number 6.
Oh, Lars, for sure. Ano number mo guys?
31.
31.
Yun, tumapak din sa uso.
Oo. Dapat.
Tapos ng contest.
Ano yung number 8? Where are you?
Nandiyan lang yan.
Saan? Parehas kayo ng kulay ng gamit niya.
Nagdam siya na lang. Alam mo, may mag-racing doon. Yan lang naman yun. Nandun dyan lang sila.
Bakit mo ginet lang?
Candidate number 1 is Miss Marian Arguelas, also known as Miss Catriona Gray. Candidate number 8 is Miss Dimple Pang. Ang girl, Jackie Gonzaga.
Number 9.
Number 9 is Miss Aya Garcia, also known as Miss June Barbanet. Again, ladies and gentlemen, people of Quiapo, Manila, and Barangay 307, let's have a last look at our top 5 finalists, starting off with candidate number 10, Gerald Kiogo. Number 1 is Marian Arguelas, also known as Catriona Gray. Candidate number 6, Lars Pacheco, ang Chris Bernal ng Bukawi, Bulacan. Candidate number 8 is ang girl, Jackie Gonzaga. Last finalist candidate number 9, once again, Miss Aya Garcia, also known as Miss Julia Barrett. Okay. So we have the results already. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, for the moment of truth, second runner-up of Super Serena Quiapo 2019 will receive 10,000 pesos plus has and gas and abokas. Ala.
To be awarded by
Tagawa June Talia and Tagawa BB Samol.
You're welcome, Sir Rocky.
wait lang po. Gawang sis.
Apa na lalo na yung winning na gawang talya. Ano naman?
Super Serena Quiapo 2019 second runner-up. Garnering an average score of 82.75%. Congratulations, candidate number. Candidate number 1, Marian Aguilas, also known as Catch Rihola Gray.
Hello, Tiffany. Magandang gabi sa'yo, Tiffany Chris, Monte Carlo.
Congratulations, San Marlan. Dito ka lang naman.
Our second runner-up, ladies,
Dito na ako.
Miss Marian Arguelles.
Okay, first runner-up, Super Serena Barangay 307 goes to Kagawad Eban, Kagawad Orat Pangat, and Kagawad Patrick Montilla. Yan.
Yes, we miss you too.
Pagkatapos naman nawalan, kiss na, ladies.
Again, our first runner-up will receive 50,000 pesos in cash plus SAS plus
Hello, Riniel. We miss you too.
Okay. First runner-up goes to candidate number with the average of 84.5. Candidate number 9.
Candidate number 9 is Aya Garcia.
Yes, magkasama kami. Nakaupo lang siya dun sa gilid kasi pagod na. Guys, second runner-up po, si Miss Aya Garcia.
Once again, congratulations, Super Serena 2019 first runner-up, Miss Aya Garcia, also known as Miss Julia Pareto. Okay.
Tatlo na lang ang natitira, guys. Si Lars, si Miss Dimple Tan, and si si Gerard Kyoge.
Okay, Super Serena
Hello, Miss Ann.
2019 to receive 20,000
Yes po,
pesos in cash.
Aaron, si Lars Pacheco po, yung isa.
And a bouquet to be awarded by Chairman Sean de la Cruz at ang kanyang napakagandang may bahay, Mrs. Julita de la Cruz.
Alright! Ano number gusto nyo? Yan! Gusto na ako sinasabi ko. Ano number? Pasilip ka rin. Pasilip ka. Okay. Ano number? Wow! Exciting to.
Yes, si Lars po yung nakakatrio na nagaw.
Ang ating friends ngayon yung malaki 307. Yan.
To be awarded once again by Chairman Johnny de la Cruz.
Ay, Diyos ko, Jana, mapa-shoutout ka pa.
May bahay.
Sobrang
At ang Julita de la Cruz.
Kasama ko si Ryan J.
Grabe, dami mga supporters sa mga kandidato natin. Grabe.
Hello, Alvin. Good evening, Alvin.
07. At sa buong Quiapo, Manila, maraming salamat po sa pagdalo niyo po dito. To Chairman Johnny at sa buong council.
Miss Aya Garcia, second runner-up. And Miss Marian Arguelles, second runner-up.
Kagawad Michael Alonso, Kagawad Patrick Montilla, Kagawad Rolando Pangan, Kagawad Imelda Samolde, Kagawad Jennifer Tala, siyempre ang Secretary, commercial muna, Secretary Jerry.
Biglang nagaya si Ryan J. Na alas 8 na.
Sino ang commercial ba dito? William Fernandez Belmonte.
Pagtatap po yan, hindi mo tinapos.
SK Chairman Mark Kenny Tarot. Nasa ko nito.
Ganda ni Marian.
Santa Maria.
Yung last.
Eso. Heros Alonso. Eso nito na. Okay, ito na. Hindi.
Nakaupo si Ryan J. Haggard nandun sa gilid.
Quiapo 2019, once again, will receive 20,000 pesos in cash, a sash, and a bouquet, of course, a crown. Garnering an average score of 87.75%. Congratulations, Super Serena Quiapo 2019 candidate number.
Actually, bet ko pumasok si Patricia. Deserving siya sa top 5.
Audience ngayong gabi nito.
Congratulations.
Ito na talaga. Blockbuster!
And of course, sa ating dalawang pinaka-props sa coffee, asawa, magkakaroon po sila na consolation prize. Wait lang po. Ang lakas ng mga artista. Dami-dami. Ayan, dito, maraming salamat. Congratulations, Ms. Lars Pacheco, Ms. Aya Garcia, and Ms. Marian Arguelles. And congratulations, Chairman Johnny Cruz, at sa buong Executive, congratulations.
Last na. Thank you, guys.
She's so exceptional, she's super